Hello everyone, myself Hanadeep from CSC department. We work in CS 172. Um, Today I'm going to explain you Unix exercise lab number Unix lab exercise number 2. So this is based on conditional statement using shell scripting. So now I'm going to show you the how to write greatest of three numbers, student grade calculation, electricity bill calculator, finding the alphabet is a oval or constant, and given number is a palindrome or not using shell scripting. So first I'm going to show you the greatest of three numbers. So in this, first we are going to enter the three numbers using echo. So read ABC. We are reading the three numbers, and here we are initializing the values like L equal to $A. So if $L is less than $B, then L equal to $B. In this, if we use any if condition, then it should be closed with fi. So again here we are using if condition. So here if $L is less than $C, then L equal to $C, and again we are closing it with fi, and in the end it will print the greatest number as echo the greatest number is, so it will print the greatest number. So here the $L will take the value from these conditions, and the second is student grade calculation. Here we are first initializing the values, and after that we are entering the marks. So according to that we are initializing A, B, C, and here we are printing like we are additioning the values using echo. So $A plus $B plus $C, and again we are taking the average of total. So for that again we are using $T whole divided by 3. So total marks are total number of marks are 3, so we are dividing it by 3, and if average is less than 40, then G equal to 0, else if average is less than 80, then Z equal to 1, else Z equal to 3. And again here we have already used if condition, so we are closing it with fi, and in the case $Z in, for 0 the student has failed, for 1 and the student has passed satisfactorily, and for 3 2 or 3, like 3 we, we initialized it as 3. So for 3 the student has passed with distinction, and for the case we have to close it with ESAC condition. So this is how student grade calculation is done. And electricity bill calculator, and the third question is electricity bill calculator. So for that first we are entering the units of electricity, and again we are initializing the value reading the value, and if $A is less than 100, so here we have taken the nor prop like basic value as 100, C equal to 100, we have initialized it, then C equal to 100. If less than 100, C equal to 100, else if $A is less than 200, then C equal to 200, else if $A is greater than 200, then C equal to 400, and again we are closing the if condition with fi. So the cost equal to echo $A into $C. So we are multiplying the $A value and $C value, so we will get the total amount of cost for the number of units. And the fourth question is finding the alphabet is a vowel or constant. So for that again we are using enter. First we are entering the alphabet and we are initializing the, like we are reading the value. And so these are the vowels we a I o u, and here we have used for loop, and which each value is entering into the for loop. So if $I is equal to $a, then the alphabet is oval, otherwise the alphabet is constant. And fifth question is, uh, given number is a palindrome or not. So for this, uh, first we will enter the value which we have to be checked, and here the value will be read, like here we are reading the value. So and here we are initializing the value with t, so t equal to $a, and while $a is greater than 0, 2 we are performing the operations like percentile, multiplication, addition, division, and after that, if $n is equal to $t, then the number is palindrome, otherwise the number is not palindrome. And again we are closing the if condition with f5. So this is my output. And first, before creating each file, I have used the cd, and in that cd I have created these files like electricity bill calculator, greatest number, palindrome, and vowel or constant, and this student grade calculation. So this is the output. For the greatest number, enter 3 and 12, 30, 344 and 16. So the greatest number is 344. And uh, for the electricity bill calculation, I have entered the 45, so the total amount of cost is 4,500. And for the palindrome number 131, it's a palindrome number. And for a student grade calculation, the student have passed satisfactorily according to the marks which I have entered. And for the vowel or constant, I have entered the head H, and the alphabet is oval. So this is the end of experiment number 2. Thank you.